name is Chafin. I work at the Lane Community Technology Center in downtown Hamilton, Ohio. Today, we're going to talk about the Light Up with Pride program. This June, people can sign up to make cool light-up earrings or keychains in a customizable rainbow pattern. They're perfect for Pride. Each session occurs a few days before a local Pride event. The June 1st session occurs a few days before the Hamilton, Ohio Pride event, and the June 15th session occurs a few days before the Cincinnati Pride event. So no matter which event you choose to attend, you'll have the perfect light-up accessory. I'll let my colleague Suja explain.
Hi, my name is Suja Pandey. I've been working at the Lane Tech Center for almost a year as a public service associate. We wanted to create a project for Pride. We weren't quite sure what that would look like, and initially we wanted to make light up neon signs. But we thought if we were going to make a project for Pride Month, we wanted it to be something that people could wear proudly and wear out and about. So that's how we settled on earrings, and nothing catches someone's attention like light up earrings.
There are two ways to participate in this program. The first way is to go to our website, www.lanepl.org, click Events, and register for the program. There are 2 class sessions available. They are available on a first-come, first-served basis. If you can't get online, go ahead and give the library a call. Our phone number is 513-785-2727. One of our staff members can register you for the class. If you can't make it to one of our classes, why not come to our booth at Pride? Hamilton's Pride is on June 4th, and you can't miss us. We're the only ones there with a bookmobile. We'll be handing out 3D printed earrings and keychains.
So everyone will get to take home a set of rainbow earrings as well as a light up cloud keychain.
For this class, all of the electronics were pre-soldered by Lane staff members before the class started.
Normally, when we've done electronic light up classes, we've always done daisy chaining or series, which is where you take a 3 volts out of a singular battery or power source and split it among 2 or more lights. In this class, we will be drawing out double that amount, so we'll be drawing 6 volts out of the battery and splitting it among 2 lights. The reason we did this is because if you draw just 3 volts out and split it among 2 3-volt lights, each light will be getting 1.5 volts, which is not enough to light up. Doing this allows both batteries to reach max luminance. However, it will cause the battery life to be much shorter.
Once the electronics are finished, patrons can choose the colors that they want to represent themselves in their keychains or earrings. For this class, Lane staff members designed the jewelry in a program called Tinkercad.
Tinkercad is a computer-aided design software. It allows the user to create models for anything they want or anything they need in a 3-dimensional way, whereas if you were to just draw it out on paper, it would be flat and 2-dimensional. This way you can measure it on all the sides. We first created the general shape that we wanted, so we created the cloud and rainbow shape first. And then after we finalized the electronics and how that would work, we designed how big the backside of it needed to be in order to fit them in. And then we proceeded to add slits into the lid of our earrings so that the switch could be accessed from the outside of the earrings. And then lastly, we designed the cup that each of the colored rainbows sit into.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and like below or check us out on Facebook. Remember, there's still time to sign up for this class or visit our booth at Hamilton Pride. If you can't make it, give us a call at 513-785-2727 or email us at techcenter@lanepl.org to schedule a one-on-one appointment and learn how to show your pride with 3D printed jewelry of your own.